What up, y'all? This is Aaron Gordon here. We are back here with EronGordonTv. I am here in downtown Chicago, just enjoying my time with my wife. Going to do somewhat of a little, vlog while we're down here. Just wanted to get something up here. But either way, thank you all for tuning in. I just recently did a Chicago vlog, so why not do another one? Thank y'all for tuning in. Let me know what other vlogs y'all want to see. And here goes the vlog. Should be really interesting. All right, so it's Alexis. Y'all know who she is if y'all been on my channel. It's my wife. We're kind of doing a little baby moon or whatnot, but I will say this, we are about to get some food. We got a little boat tour coming up, so should be fun, taking pictures and all that. I don't know what this first place is called. What's this first place called? Yeah, I forgot too, but we'll let y'all know. All right, so it's called City Bird. This is what we're kind of working with. Seems to be all right, but I'll give y'all what I think. All right, so we checked out the restaurant. Babe, what was your thoughts on the restaurant? It was good. I thought it was good. I thought that their service size was a little small. But it was overall, it was a good restaurant, good spot. Something I would recommend definitely for lunch. Not that filling for dinner, but it was definitely pretty good. So, gotta give it its credit. All right, y'all, so we on the cruise. Hey, she definitely thought it was a photo. That's what's so funny. That was a photo. She was about to pose. But we're on like a little mini cruise tour. Obviously, as y'all gonna be able to tell, we're gonna be touring, what's behind this here in Chicago. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it should be fun.
Start with welcome aboard. Of course, it is free. My name is Romel again. I'll be a pilot for the next 1.5 hours. So do me a favor, stay in the boat. That's the most important thing. Now, before we get underway, I'd like to share with you this vessel, the Osprey, is United States Coast Guard inspected vessel that
in this fire. In downtown Chicago back then was smaller than what we see today and bounded on 3 sides by water. Lake Michigan ahead of us to the east, Chicago River to the north and to the west, then to the south of us, industrial landed rail adoption of classical revival. He then brings in a lot of his New York friends to guns out of the fair buildings, and the fairgrounds then looks like an ancient city of Greece or Rome, or if you can imagine, Washington, D.C. on stage. Third tallest building in Chicago at 101 floors, 1,191 feet in height, and it is the tallest completed building transaction in the building. Now that title goes to the buyer of floors 71 and 72, who bought those as a package deal, which then closed at $20.56 million. With that price, though, into Lake Michigan behind you, now it flows away from the lake. Why? Well, a century ago, it's up $50,000. The winning entry you see beside you, submitted by 2 New York architects, John Lee Towle, both times for filming, including the movie The Hunter with Steve McQueen. Not as nefarious as it seems. On our right, 2 buildings that went up in 1987. The one with the green glass, designed by Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, formerly the headquarters of the Quaker Oats Company, holds offices today for the American Bar Association. That's bar as in. And that concrete plant specializes in concrete mixes that can withstand very high compressive forces. And it's used in our new high-rise buildings under construction. So the stone inside that barge will find its way to a very thin porous building touch the ground, containing elevators, stairs, utility shafts, and multiple reinforced concrete cores, all the off-street.
So how was the boat tour?
It was really good.
I thought it was fun. He talked a little bit too much, but I felt like it was really good, really informational. I would recommend it. I think if you have a group of people and this is like your first or second time really coming to Chicago, I knew quite a bit of the information, but the updated information, that's the one thing that I did like. Just the updated information, able to take a picture of the last, part of the Chicago Tribune, which is really cool. That's something I didn't even know. So pretty updated. That's really the best part. It shows you the history and some of the updated things that are going on. Obviously, Chicago's a growing city in terms of buildings, not people, but pretty cool. All right, y'all, so this is Alexis and Joey. We are here. How was it? Food was good? Hey, don't let her lie to y'all. She didn't eat that much of the food. I had a penne alla vodka with pasta with penne alla vodka. It was pretty cool. I love Italian restaurants, but not always. So look at this, that's for it. Yeah, see, I didn't know how much they love mommy around here. They get chocolates and stuff just because they're pregnant at a hotel. You know, I wanted to ask, like, where's my chocolates at? You know what I'm saying? I'm about to be a dad and everything. Like, where's my chocolates at? Where's my flowers at? Moms get everything. They get all the love. They get all the support. They get X, Y, and Z. I just kind of get like, hey, you know what I'm saying? You dad, I guess. All right, y'all. Good morning, peeps. We here, Southside Chicago. About to get some Italian lemonade. We back here trying to check this out, see how well it is. It looks like it's pretty good. It's really popular. The door's just open. There's already like 8 people in like the first like 30 seconds, so it is popular. There we go.
Orange guava is really good. Sweet? Yeah, it's like sweet. Let me do that one.
So I end up getting watermelon, a large watermelon. My wife ended up getting a medium. I thought it was gonna be like 30 bucks. It was pretty good. Yeah, so we are here in the Italian district, Chicago. We're on the south side. My first time over here. I've been in Chinatown, but this is my first time in the Italian district, I believe. All right, I'm not gonna lie, this looks really good. I'm not gonna hold you. This is fire. Yeah, it's definitely fire. All right, y'all, so we here at the Navy Pier. I mean, if you've ever, any big city pier is always cool. I mean, Miami's pier, LA's pier, Chicago's pier. They're always just really pier. So it's really cool. All right, so we decided to go to the rooftop. The view, pretty good. Obviously, it's not amazing because you got all that stuff in, you know, in front of the pier, but it's still really good. Can't get that much better, but you know, it's just it is what it is. All right, y'all, so the food is here. You gotta eat for our baby.
Like once, life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want. My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime, I go where I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell.